Hey everyone, welcome back to Say It Right, where we make English pronunciation simple and fun. Today's word is one that confuses even native speakers. Most people pronounce this word wrong.
So let's fix it in just 2 minutes in both British and American accents. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the next lessons.
All right, let's start. Today's word is mayonnaise. Yes, the one we put on sandwiches. Here's how we say it in British English. Listen carefully. May-uh-Nayz. The middle part is soft. May-uh, not may-o. Try saying it slowly with me. May-uh-Nayz. Brilliant. You've just mastered the British pronunciation.
Now, let's hear how it sounds in American English. All right, here's the American version. In the U.S., we say May-oh-Nayz. Again, slowly. May-oh-Nayz. Americans drop the middle and say mayo. Let's repeat. Mayo. Easy, right? May-oh-Nayz. Nice! You've got the American pronunciation perfect.
Brilliant. You learned a new word today. And which one do you use, British or American? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next pronunciation lesson.